Hello. Camping.
Hello, peoples. We are out here at the Radium Springs having a great time. It is so cool. Wish you guys were all here. I know it's a little dusk till dawn, but guess what? We are just totally dusk.
What do you mean by that's another one I crossed off my list?
Georgie.
Out here with Eli.
Like,
He's at Radium
Like
Springs. It's Saturday and he is camping. Here's his tent.
Georgie.
You can barely see it. It's kind of dark. I don't know how to turn the light on. There it is. Hey, there's a little gazebo, and we're out here camping.